Hi everyone, in this video we take a look at two key concepts of Methodox Threads. In a Threads workspace, you work with a project. You can create a new project by go to File, New, and you can start creating a new project. Each project contains multiple documents. Documents are related to each other as either parent-children relationship or as siblings. You can adjust the top level document width and height by using the sliders here. The first empty text area you see is the first top-level document. You can write the contents inside the text edit area. After you're done with the content, you can either create a child or create a sibling. A sibling sits next to the current document, and you can edit its content here. You can also make it smaller so you can see both of them together. After you're done with the first level, you can start working on the second level. You create a child and write your contents here. You can create more child by clicking the button. Each new child will divide the available width of its parent. Within a child, you can further create its child, and then you reach level 3. You can create hierarchies of documents within this workflow. After you are done, you can save your content by clicking Save, which allows you to save into a JSON file. Besides the contents, each document contains two additional text fields. The first is the load. You can set a load describing what you are trying to do. For instance, investigate some topic from a different direction. That is a load for yourself. You can hover on the question mark to see the load. You can also set the prompt for this particular document. The prompt in current version, as of version 0.6, doesn't really do much. It's just another way for you to kind of like write different content for it. But in the future, when we integrate AI capabilities, then the prompt will be the user message, and the content will represent conceptually the agent message. So that's it. That's the two basic concepts of Methodox Threads. To recap, each workspace represents a project, and each project is organized using documents. And documents contain 3 text fields. The first one is the content you can edit here, the second one is the load, and the third one is a prompt. Documents are related to each other as either siblings or as children. Thank you for watching.